everyone, and welcome to Nanobar. Well, folks, a major script is unfolding. This time it's not a drill. America's two big contractors, Amazon and Walmart, have teamed up to directly challenge their own employees. On November 1st, 2025, both companies simultaneously issued official declarations. Amazon CEO Andy Jassy cut 14,000 corporate positions. It's worth noting that the company had just announced quarterly profits of $18 billion. So this move isn't due to poor performance. The most transformative technology since the internet, and the company must become leaner, flatter, and faster. Walmart's CEO Doug McMillon went even further. He didn't lay off employees, he froze hiring. He warned employees that AI will literally change every job. And for the next 3 years, the company will not add a single new person. What does this mean? It implies that all future growth will rely entirely on AI, with us living people having nothing to do with it. Let's look at this bold move again. It's actually a two-pronged attack, optimizing both white-collar and blue-collar workers. White-collar office workers such as customer service and junior analysts are all on the layoff list. Blue-collar workers in warehouses, like those in logistics and warehouse operations, won't escape either. Amazon already has over 1 million robots running, and leaked documents suggest their goal is 75% warehouse automation, which could replace 600,000 people. Some people used to naively defend this, saying, "Oh, AI is just like Excel." Friends, don't be foolish. This optimistic view is too naive. Look at Salesforce's CEO, Mark Benioff. He cut their customer support department from 9,000 to 5,000 people. Why? Because their AI can now handle 50% of customer interactions, directly reducing support costs by 17%. Do you understand this script? Excel can't replace you, but AI can. Bosses aren't trying to use AI to assist all of you. They want to use AI to replace most of you first, and then use AI to super assist the small number of people who remain. Which capitalist wouldn't be confused by this open strategy of cost reduction and efficiency improvement? The funniest part of the story is that Amazon itself is having an internal dispute. CEO Jassy is determined to cut jobs and reduce corporate positions. But his most profitable subordinate, AWS CEO Matt Garman, got agitated and publicly criticized the move, saying, "Replacing junior employees with AI is the stupidest thing I've ever heard." The AWS CEO's logic is strong. If you fire all the newbies today, where will you cultivate the next generation of managers? Isn't this a typical case of schizophrenia? Jassy wants short-term efficiency, while the AWS CEO is concerned about long-term talent development. For the sake of immediate cost reduction and efficiency improvement, they are dismantling their own future ladder. Do you think workers will just lie flat and take it? A counter-narrative is also emerging. New York State took the lead by amending the WARN Act. Now, when companies conduct layoffs, they must honestly check a box indicating whether it was done by AI or technological innovation. This presents bosses with a catch-22 dilemma. Option A, you admit it was done by AI. In that case, unions and politicians will immediately demand money, with huge retraining funds and severance packages. Option B, you lie and say it's a cultural issue. If an internal memo like Jassy's stating AI will reduce the total number of employees leaks, you'll end up in court and be fined even more severely. Unions are also enraged. The Teamsters are organizing a grand alliance outside Amazon, protesting the strict quotas and injuries caused by AI systems. Walmart's retail union, UFCW, is also on strike. They're not striking for higher wages. They're opposing the new AI scheduling tool. This broken tool has cut employee working hours by 20%. Has this script instantly changed from "we want more money" to "these AI don't control me"? However, while the old guard is crying, the new guard is already smiling. Salesforce, the same company that cut 4,000 customer service jobs, announced it would hire 3,000 to 5,000 new sales representatives. Benioff's logic is also simple. AI cannot replace soul. and human connection. So AI handles repetitive tasks and human elites manage complex relationships. Now, a bunch of previously unimaginable jobs are emerging in the market, and their salaries are shockingly high. What are these roles like? Prompt engineers, AI trainers, knowledge architects, and AI ethics officers. Prompt engineers and AI trainers are essentially AI translators. AI is powerful, but also dumb, so you have to teach it. For example, translating complex company compliance requirements and a boss's business goals into machine language that AI can understand. This is essentially doing quality assurance for AI models. Mid-level positions typically pay $130,000 to $200,000 US. And top AI labs like OpenAI can offer $250,000 to $375,000 US. Knowledge architects are like AI's exclusive librarians, specifically designing the structure for AI to acquire knowledge, such as knowledge graphs, ensuring that AI uses your company's latest and correct internal information when answering questions. Their annual salary ranges from $140,000 to $220,000 US. AI ethics officers are like AI's disciplinary committee, responsible for ensuring that AI systems don't go crazy, discriminate, violate laws, or leak privacy. Their annual salary ranges from $160,000 to $250,000 US. All right, after all this analysis, let's summarize. The panic theory is worrying unnecessarily. History has repeatedly shown that new technologies ultimately do not lead to widespread unemployment. The optimistic theory, which is the Excel tool theory, is too naive. The Salesforce example proves that AI can indeed eliminate entire job roles. The most realistic conclusion is a massive skills mismatch. What does that mean? The packer in Amazon's warehouse, who was replaced by a robot, simply cannot transition to become an AI architect earning $500,000 US a year. The likelihood of a low-wage worker needing to retrain is 14 times higher than that of a high-wage worker. AI is hollowing out entry-level positions. It's automating all those grunt work tasks that we used to rely on for learning and growth. But the problem is, these grunt work tasks were the first rung on the career ladder for millions of us. Now, the ladder has been dismantled by people like Jassy. This mandate from Amazon and Walmart is essentially pressing the fast-forward button on this future. So, what should ordinary people do? We must take a two-pronged approach. Path 1, learn AI-related skills, which means collaborating with AI. You must learn to master these tools. Learn data analysis, learn prompt engineering, and learn AI literacy. Remember, in the future, it's not AI replacing you, but people who use AI replacing people who don't use AI. Path 2, strengthen human skills that AI cannot replace. Master what AI cannot do. These things, previously called soft skills, are now hard skills. Critical thinking, ethical reasoning, creativity, empathy, and complex social interaction. Friends, the warnings from Amazon and Walmart are a harsh wake-up call. It's not the end of work, but the end of grunt work. The biggest risk is not AI itself, but our human failure to adapt to it. So, are you ready to upgrade your skills? I'd like to know, in your current job, how many tasks can AI do? Have you started learning to use AI tools? That's all for this episode. See you next time.